And after scoring his first goal for the Reggae Boyz, striker Mikel Antonio says he's relieved to be on the score sheet and is now looking forward to helping the Jamaicans over the line. Antonio scored in the 82nd minute, but the Reggae Boyz failed to hold on and had to settle for a point against El Salvador.
It's always good to get off the mark quite early, so you can release all the pressure from yourself so you can keep going, you can keep scoring more goals. So hopefully, and now I've got one, I can keep going and getting more. Right now, like I said, our performances are getting better, so the only way we can show it is by doing it against the better teams, the USAs, the Canadas.
And Captain Andre Blake says it's important to look ahead and what is to come and make use of home advantage.
We have 7 games to go. 5 of them is home. 2 is on the road. So we just have to figure out a way to win at home, to get maximum points at home, which is not impossible. We just have to figure it out. And, we go from there.